You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster.
Hey, today we got an 08 Cadillac CTS. It's got a PO453, a PO451, and a PO562, 3.6 liter. I'm going to explain what those are. I'm going to explain what we're going to do. I'm going to show you the readings of it. So stay tuned. I don't think this fuel tank pressure is correct. It's showing minus 28. So we're gonna check that out also. All right, well, since it only costs 41, it's gonna be a standard part number AS302. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I mean, it's a 2008, so let's go ahead and try that. Like I said, it's about $41. AS302, a fuel vent pressure sensor. Okay, you're going to come to the passenger side of the car. You're going to come up here. Okay, there's your wheel. So let me get my light like this. You're going to go a few inches from the wheel, and you're going to go straight up here to the box. You're going to see the sensor right there. Hopefully you can see that. Up in there, there's your sensor. Unplug it there, and it's going to just pull out. I don't know if I can get it. No, I can't really see it anywhere any better for you than right there. Remember, it's right here at the exhaust, so you want to do it, of course, with it cooled down, because it will burn you. So just pull that straight out and replace that. It's on your EVAP box there for the fuel tank pressure sensor. Okay, I got it out. It kind of when you pull it out from up there, let's see that corner right there, you can barely get your hand in there, but just pop it out of that hole right there. Kind of twist it and pop it. That just holds right in there in that hole, in that little indentations, 2 indentations there. Just hold it and of course plug it back up. This is pretty much how it should look like when you're done. Right up there. If you shine your light up there, kind of back behind the axle a little bit, it makes it a lot easier. It's just a little tight squeeze, but nothing you can't do. Alright, let's clear the codes out. Okay, as you can plainly see, the fuel tank pressure sensor is reading perfectly now. Back and forth, and it's not stuck in the negative. So if you got one of those engine codes and your fuel tank pressure sensor is in the negative, go ahead and replace it. Another one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching.